Hey everyone, welcome back to MNMMPT Nati YouTube channel. This is Manmohan. In today's video, I am continuing the series that we have started about sharing the best way to practice certain important topics. In today's video, I am going to share about another important topic from the speaking part, which is describe image. So describe image, as we all know, it's a speaking task and the marks are only contributed towards speaking and no other module. But the marks that this topic gives is just next to none in terms of speaking. It's roughly about 35 to 40 marks out of 90 just in speaking itself. So let's see the way that I recommend all my students to follow to practice so that they can achieve these 35 to 40 marks very easily in the exam. Now, we all know that in describe image, there are three components being tested or three skills that are being tested, which is fluency, pronunciation, and content. Now, content in describe image is the least important component, as in even if you just have certain keywords out of the image, that's what all matters. Content doesn't mean that you have to analyze and actually describe the image. So that is why whenever you want to practice describe image, that's the very first thing that should be in your mind, that content is not my main priority, but my main priority is fluency and pronunciation. Now, I'm pretty sure most of you would already have the templates with you. If not, do visit our describe image video where we did share the exact latest method that's working in the exam. If you go to that video and go in the description, I will link that video down in the description box below. Over there, you would be able to download the template that we recommend, that we have tested multiple times and it works perfectly. Download that template or use the templates that you feel that are working and the ones that you're already using. Memorize that template from day one. That is what I recommend. If you have given the PT exam before, you would have already memorized it by now. If not, in describe image, do not go with the exam material. Do not go with other things that are important. Your main priority, or I would say step one, is going to be memorizing that template. No other thing. This is the way that you should be following while practicing describe image in the shortest time frame possible. Every single day when you wake up, whenever you start practicing for your PT exam, just speak out the template 5 to 10 times. Forget about content. You don't need any image in front of you. Just speak out the template 5-10 times. It's more than enough. And afterwards, to get the material for describe image, honestly, you don't even need to download the prediction files or get any material for describe image. It's that easy of a topic. But just pick anything or everything that you can see right in front of you. For example, since I'm shooting this video, I've got a camera in front of me. So for me, if I want to practice my describe image, I would use that camera as my image. For example, if you're practicing it using your laptop and you've got your laptop in front of you, just use that laptop as an image. You have the phone with you in your pocket, use the phone as your image. You have a pen in your hand, use the pen as your image. You're driving, you've got a car in front of you, use that as an image. That's my whole point. For describe image, you don't really need to have the exam material. It doesn't really matter. Whatever image, whatever thing you see in front of you, start describing that. That will make sure that you are speaking your describe image extremely fluently. And also, since you have already memorized your template, you would be able to pronounce all those words. Your fluency and pronunciation is the only thing that matters, no other thing. Second step in practicing this topic well is always and always time yourself. I've seen few people who finish describe image even less than 10 seconds. And I've seen few people who will keep on speaking it for 50-60 seconds. We know that in describe image, the time that we get is 40 seconds. So we have to make sure we finish well before that. So speaking less than 10 seconds is again not good. And speaking more than 40 seconds is anyways going to deduct marks for that. So always, whenever you speak your describe image, have a clock or a timer or a stopwatch in front of you so that you can track yourself, as in what's the average amount of time that you're speaking. My recommendation of speaking any describe image would be anywhere above 20 seconds, because if you are speaking anything less than 20 seconds, Pearson, maybe right now you're getting marks for that, but maybe in the future they will not give enough marks for that. You never know. It's a computer based exam. They can change their algorithm very quickly. So always make sure you're speaking a reasonable amount of time, which is between 20 to 35 seconds. More than 35 seconds is not required. Less than 20 seconds is not recommended. So that's pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to share about if you're doing it in the right way or not. Forget about content, forget about using the exam images. It's not required. It's not really that of a big of a deal. Main importance and priority has to be your template, followed by any image that comes in front of you describing that, and followed by making sure that you're speaking between 20 to 35 seconds. If you just follow these 3 steps, and even if you just give 10 to 15 minutes to describe image every day, that's all you need. You don't need more than that. So I hope this video was helpful. If you do have any sort of questions, do leave them in the comment section below, and me and Mohit will try our best to answer all of you as quickly as possible. If you want to sit with us one-on-one online consultations, there's no other student available, it's only you and us. And if you want to ask any sort of questions, maybe understand a specific topic, if you have given the exam before, you want to get a feedback as to why are you missing your scores, all those things can be discussed in the one-on-one consultations that we run, either 30 minutes or 1 hour, depending on how longer you need. That can be booked. You can message us on Instagram or Facebook and we can discuss over there. Also, if you or any of your friends are going to give NAATI exam soon, either NAATI Hindi, Punjabi or Gujarati, we have got the prediction files for them and also the coaching available. So if you want to get the prediction file, which has got about 20-25 most repeated dialogues of all time, you can again get in touch with us with Instagram or Facebook. The links are in the description box below, or you can just search for us using M&MM-PT NAATI. That's our name of the channel, and we can have a conversation on either Facebook or Instagram. So thanks for watching. If you have got your exams coming soon, all the very best for that. And with that, I'll see you guys in the next one.